Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Azhar, and our today's topic is discrete mathematics for computer science. We learn how it works and how it play an important role in the field of computer science.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mehran Yazi. Discrete mathematics for computer science. Mathematics, some call it the language of the universe. Others prefer more technical explanation and say that it expresses the mechanisms of the universe. Math helps us explore and explain the world within us, around us, and beyond us. In many ways, math is the underlying tool that humans have used to create some of the most astonishing achievements, especially in the last few years. Mathematics has many branches, but it can broadly be classified into continuous maths and discrete maths. Continuous mathematics deals with real numbers. Between any two real numbers, there are infinitely many additional real numbers. There are no gaps in the real number line that continuous math operates on. Continuous mathematics reflects the world around us, which is smooth and continuous, like the progression of time, rotation and revolution of planetary bodies, etc. Discrete maths deals with set of items that can only contain distinct values that cannot be further subdivided. For example, ideas like gender, names of colors, number of siblings, you have etc. all are discrete values. Interest in discrete mathematics increased in the latter half of the 20th century, partially due to the development of digital computers. Computers operate in discrete steps and store data in discrete ways. The continuous nature of the physical world is translated into discrete steps by digitizing it. Concepts and notations from discrete mathematics are useful in studying and describing objects and problems in branches of computer science. To glimpse the kinds of problems discrete maths deals with, consider people or chairs. How many different ways can these poor people be seated on porch? If you were to manually write out all possible combinations, you would see that there were 24 ways. But what if you are dealing with larger numbers? For example, 10 people and 10 chairs. The answer is 40,320.
Now, as Meher Khan Niazi told us that the answer is 40,320. Wow. If you want to calculate that manually, you will encounter more riddles like this. When you come across the topics, combinatorics and permutations, another way you can use discrete mathematics is to find the shortest path between two locations. You have probably used a GPS navigator like Google Maps to find the shortest route to your destination. Have you wondered how it is done? There are several possible paths. There are several possible algorithms that can be taken from point A to point B. How can you find the shortest path? Or you want to travel from point A to point B but intended to visit several other points of interest along the way. How can you plan the most efficient route so that you can travel the least distance? You will learn how to represent maps and solve this type of problems in the graph theory. In the topic of graph theory, which is the more trending topic nowadays in computer science. By now, you might have an idea of what the wonderful world of discrete maths is all about. It is a practical and it is a fun. If you fear maths, then confront your fears with the understanding that discrete maths is a tool to help understand and solve interesting problems. It can be your greatest friend. Now, how discrete mathematics work in the field of computer science? To define it in one line, it is that discrete mathematics is the backbone of computer science. It is important for computer science because in computing machines, information is stored and manipulated in a discrete fashion. Discrete mathematics is the language of computer science. One needs to be fluent in it in order able to work in fields like data science, machine learning, software engineering, and others. It helps us to develop mathematical thinking, improve problem solving ability for us. No need to go anywhere else because discrete mathematics is for us. Discrete mathematics is important to survive in computer world. If you are in these type of subfields like data science, computer security, operating system, automata, artificial intelligence, deep learning, etc., many problems can be solved using discrete mathematics. Nowadays, it provides a valuable help to build algorithms that make artificial intelligence more powerful day by day. Artificial intelligence learning, artificial intelligence accuracy. Many of the structures in artificial intelligence are discrete. For example, a neural network had an integer number of nodes. So we hope you understand what we try to explain you. If you have any question, submit it in comments. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.